is cracking, everybody? Today is Wednesday. Wednesday, 26th of May. I'm going to bring this down a little bit. 26th of May, 2021. We're back in the field for another killer Tabata workout. We have 12 exercises, 3 rounds, 6 minutes around 18 minutes of work. That's what we got today. We're going to crank it up in the field. It's hot out here. Sun's blazing, as you can see right there. Let's give me a little tan, get some vitamin D in the body right here. Just soak it up. That's all I'm doing, is soaking it up. So what do we got here? We got the sled. We got a 45 and a 25. That would mean it's 70 pounds. That we're gonna pull, we're gonna run, put the straps in, run, up and back. Next one, we're gonna go backwards, up and back, and then sprint again, up and back. So a lot of plate running. Big ass heavy medicine ball right there, the 80 pounder. Big old 80. We're gonna do a bunch of stuff with that. Of course, we got the abs, and we got a little bit of cardio in the beginning besides the other stuff. So should we get ready? Yeah, let's get started. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, turn post notifications on, all those fun things. We got to get it done today. We are in a rush. Not really a big rush, but a rush enough that we need to move our asses. Let's see. Let's put this timer on. Is this all the way up? Yeah. Nope. Crank it up. There we go. Crank it up, people. All right, we're getting started right here. First, we got lunge jumps. Everybody knows a lunge jump. You're just going to make like you're lunging. You know, you don't have to do it the way I do it, but just basically, you can go down all the way and pop up. But since this is like the one thing that really kills my knees, this is how I do it. This is how we roll it. Next thing we got is the plate run. Up and back. We're going to go like maybe 15 yards up, 15 yards back. So let's get on it. Let's get it. Run. 10 seconds up. We're going to come back. 10 seconds. Let's move it. Come on. Nice. Med ball, pick up and drop. Pretty self-explanatory. Pick it up and drop it. Pick it up. Drop. Down, pick up. Stand up, drop. So you're squatting, get up, legs, arms, body, whole body right here. Pick up. Drop. That's heavy. Ab crunches right here. We can even do them on the ball, maybe. Yeah, we can. So get down, crunch, crunch, all the way back, up. So do them on the ball. It's awesome, actually. You can get down below parallel, and bring it up and crunch, 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 pop up, 4-way hops. And then we got the backward plate. It's gonna be tough. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go the other way. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We need a couple seconds because let me get this on. We're going backwards. So we're going to pull it, get it right around the shoulders, pull, pull. Come on, about 10 seconds. That's good. Turn it. Get this way quick. Come on. Med ball thrusters. All right. This is where we get the big old heavy med ball right here. Then we go down and up over. So squat up over. Head between the ball. Up. Up. Oh, that's fucking heavy. hollow rocks. Where are we at? We're doing over here. Watch out for the ants, because they're everywhere. Hollow rocks is where you're gonna get here, like a hollow hold, but we're gonna rock it. That's it. Nice. Nobody said you weren't gonna get dirty today, because we get dirty out here in the field. Skaters. So, skaters, simple. Over here, pop it, pop it, pop it. Oh, I'm all dirty. Feel the sand going down my back. Cross your leg behind real good. Hop over. Hop, 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 hop. Get this on quick. Remember, we're going forward 10 seconds and backwards 10 seconds. Come on. There we go, come on. Run, run, run. Come on back. Woo. Let's get it. Big sprint here. Woo. Med ball, shoulder toss. So pick it up. Up, over shoulder. 1. Up. 2. 3. 4. Last but not least, vacuum twist. So, no matter, suck it in like a vacuum and twist. So you're bending, getting all the air out, and twist. Squeeze that core super tight. Look, I'll show you what it looks like. See? Woo! That's all she wrote. Grab some water. Don't mind if I do, because that was brutal. And you just need to take a quickie break, get 2 more rounds of this, and you're gonna be on fire. Trust me, this is gonna win you. Even if you don't have a field, maybe you have something you could pull outside, something heavy, wrap a rope around it, and run with it. Could be sandbags, could be anything. So find something if you don't have plates. So anyway, like, subscribe, share, comment, turn notifications on. That's what we got today. Neil, the grinding wheel, in the field today with our killer Tabata workout. Excuse me. And Neil, the grinding wheel, dirty Neil, the grinding wheel. Peace out.